Okay, let's talk. I can't finish a project and I'm not the only one. Maybe you know this feeling. You get started, the first month is great, you made a lot of progress. After that, you just can't get yourself to open the project again. Maybe you have some new idea for a game, maybe you notice that the scope is too big, or you just lost interest. But nothing is worse than coming back to the project and trying to understand your old code. There are a ton of factors that can keep you from game development. You see posts from other game devs on Twitter and Reddit, you see how polished their game look, how finished they look, how great they look. But you have to remember one thing: people tend to share their highlights on social media, so you don't see their struggles and you can compare your shitty prototype with them. Let me tell you my story. I started this YouTube channel, met awesome people, found these old drawings of our dream game, started working on it. I was worried of the scope because it's open world RPG. The video blew up, people wanted to see this game happen. I got anxious from this attention and I didn't want to let people down, so I just kept working on it. There were bugs, the scope was scary, and again bugs, and after that, nothing. I didn't touch game development for like a year now. But even after all this anxiousness and the struggles I had with this game, I still missed game dev. I genuinely love this space, I love the community, I love the thrill of making something your own. I just want to have fun with game dev and I encourage you to do the same. Don't take it too seriously, don't overthink every single detail, and don't take it as a job. Even the projects you didn't finish are 100% awesome, and you can use this knowledge you learn while making this game in your another project. Just remember how you felt when you first interacted with your game. For me, it was a moving yellow cube in a Blender game engine. Yes, that's a thing. Or maybe making small RPG in RPG Maker. I kept showing it to my whole family, my friends. I was just a kid, but I was so proud. That excitement back then was a crucial step for my whole game dev journey, and I still love it. I want to make games and I want to make videos for you guys. Game dev is hard, but you know what? It's really rewarding, so keep at it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!